Jesse. My feet are so loud. What the heck? Just got home from school like 2 minutes ago. Why do I always choose to film from the worst angles of me? I'm gonna make some sushi while answering your guys' questions. Which I've only ever made sushi like one time. It was like a week ago. Let's start off with a question. This is from Audrey Poo, P-U.
What's your favorite movie and or TV show?
I have prepared for this. Let me just go get the sushi rice from the freezer. So the answer to this question is favorite TV show, probably Dance Moms. I quote that like it's very gummy, I guess. I don't know. But basically, if anyone's wondering, I don't know, let me know if you've seen Dance Moms before. My favorite mom is Christy or Holly, but like the show without Kathy would be so not fun. Oh, and movie, Ratatouille. I mean, honestly, where would I be? Video would have been made if I didn't find my love for cooking. Speed round. How do you boo joke, bullet journal, what am I? Guys, my brain cannot multifunction. How do you bullet journal consistency? Good question. I watch Amanda Rachel, so every Saturday I always do my bullet journal spread no matter what. Guys, I don't know about celebrity crush. Okay, well, I know these people aren't really people, but like Roderick from Diary of a Wimpy Kid. He has my heart. Draco Malfoy. What do you want to be when you grow up and why? Honestly, YouTube would be good. That'd be good, but I have many dreams. Kale Warren. Oh my god, this guy is hilarious. You guys need to go subscribe to him because laugh at his videos. Like, laughing out loud, I actually do. What was the best advice you've ever been given? Most of my advice, well, actually, I give advice to myself. When I make a mistake, I literally tell myself that next time I won't make this mistake because I'll know not to make it. Do you speak any other language? C, Poco. Sorry, my accent is so bad, but yes, Espanol, or Espanese, as my Spanish class likes to call it. Bienvenidos a mi YouTube channel, subscribo.
Ascension, you speak.
You are correct. Oh my god, wow. Big brains. Obsession from Paige Riley. Sorry, okay, you guys don't even care about the sushi anymore. Not obsession.
Love living on a farm and you have lots of pets.
I do have a lot of pets, which I'm so thankful for. I love animals. And I like living on a farm. Yes, obviously, I'm so grateful for it. Sorry, I'm just distracted by this sushi. Also guys, it doesn't take this long really to make sushi, just because I want to flatten my rice out and make it perfect. Oh, but something I've always wanted to live in a city and like go back to my friend's house, you know, but it's not gonna happen. From Addie Cooper.
Do you have any siblings?
Yep, I got 2. One older sister that's 19 but still lives with us because Corona, she was gonna go to college. And we share a room, so that kind of sucks. I'm almost done, guys. And then my brother is 16. Literally, we fight every single day. Let's go get the avocados. The one thing I learned about cooking, keep your space clean, so I'm gonna put this away and that away. So, avocado, oh, I forgot to say, I don't have any fish. I just don't want to deal with, like, getting salmonella. Actually, is that just from chicken? From Latero. Oh, sorry if I'm pronouncing it wrong.
What's your favorite band?
Oh, One Direction. I don't know any good bands nowadays, and One Direction will always be in my heart, so. Yep. And can I be your international friend? Of course. As long as you're not racist or sexist, I will be your friend. End of discussion. This is from Cherry BXMB.
Who inspired you to start YouTube?
Eden Shaw, Alicia Marie, Ava Jules. How old are you? I am 13. I know, turned 13 December 1st, and I am in 8th grade, even though, yes, I know I'm like young for my grade. It's just because my birthday was the last day that you could be to be in that grade. That does not make sense, and I have to explain it every single time. From your friend, Anna.
Where do you live? Are you far from stores?
Not really. I mean, the closest town. I'm obviously not gonna say where I live, but if you know where I live, I'm like 15 minutes away, so it's not that bad, but my friends, I go to school in a different town, and my friends live far away from me, so that's like 35-minute drive to school. Maddie girl
asks, what is your biggest insecurities?
Quick, I'm gonna roll up my sushi roll. My biggest insecurity, it used to be my hair. My hair was so short and I always wanted long hair. And like nobody understood me because all my friends had long hair. Wow, this is a thick roll. I don't care about my hair anymore. Why is it not sticking? Here it is. Let me finish answering this question. This isn't really an insecurity, but well, it kind of is. If you guys, I'm sorry, if I'm looking at the viewfinder, my eye, this one's smaller than that one. Like, okay, you see it now, right? This one's so much smaller, and so yeah, my friend likes to make fun of me. Bullying is not okay, Taylor. What is your favorite aesthetic? Quirky girl, just kidding. Probably like indie or like Y2K, yeah. So basically quirky. I'm gonna start to cut up my sushi roll, if I can. Okay, every time I say sushi, I think of the Trisha Paytas video. That's so oh my God, she's so racist. Well, yeah, she's racist. Well, I don't understand her, but it's a video where she's like, I'm not racist, I eat rice. This is terrible. And then she pulls out her samurai sword. Gotta cut my sushi. Don't use knives if your parents aren't home. Just kidding, you can do whatever you want to do. I literally don't know what angle this is, but I can't see. There you go, that's how it's gonna look when I'm cutting my sushi. This is from Cindy Marie. Do you play sport? I play whatever the school has to offer. Fun fact, I played soccer. Oh, that's a lot, right? I played soccer for 5 years, AYSO. Oh, can you do an updated version of how you edit? If you guys want to, me too. She also asked, what's your favorite song? Oh my God, I'm so ashamed for saying this. Okay, Lil Huddy, hear me out. Lil Huddy came out with a song, but it's not like those TikTok songs like, roast yourself, it's this rock song. And I'm not saying it's my favorite song, okay? So don't come at me. And it's actually kind of good. We're on to the next question. From Madison 4K.
What's your favorite thing about YouTube?
I love to read your guys' comments. Shawa asked,
in which state do you live in?
I don't think my parents want me to say that, but guys, it's pretty obvious. Yeah, I'm just gonna say I don't live on the East Coast. Have you met your YouTube friends in real life? No, but I would love to because I know a couple live not near me, but like. Allison Estrada asked,
do you sometimes wish you could have your own bedroom?
Yes. I mean, not all the time. Like, sharing my bedroom has been kind of fun sometimes, but also I want my own bedroom. I literally want my own house. I'm ready to move out and I'm like 13. Which is why, oh, I guess I can tell you guys, well, actually no. I'll tell you guys when it happens. Taylor asked, favorite Wendy member? I'm gonna have to say Harry, but also
favorite children's show?
She's really setting me up. Peppa Pig, obviously. Oh, what's your favorite shower product?
Like soap?
Shampoo, conditioner? And what's your favorite season? From Savannah Grace. Wait, let's actually taste test this, guys. I'm so excited. Wait, I literally don't have a chopstick. I sure wish I had a Hello Kitty chopstick right now. Let's taste test. This is like the messed up end. I don't have any soy sauce right now, but. Soy sauce, perfect. I'm kind of choking on the sushi nori. The sushi nori thing isn't the best, but add a little bit of soy sauce. Oh, favorite shower products. Lush things are pretty good. I just haven't been there in a while because I think they've been closed, I don't know. And favorite season. I was telling Bella this. Literally every season suits my needs. Summer, you literally have no school, bright and warm, so nice. Fall, it's like nice weather, so pretty. Winter, it's so cozy and it's Christmas. And spring, it's green grass and rainy and stuff. Okay, with the soy sauce. With the soy sauce, that's super good. Sharaf Ashley says, can you be my friend? Of course, like I said, if you're not racist, then yes. Addie Pensek asked,
what's your zodiac sign?
It's Sagittarius. I feel like also my Hogwarts house is Slytherin. I think those go hand in hand. It's not that like, I feel like Slytherins are like the smart people, but they're also kind of like spicy. So yeah, that's what I am. I don't really know much about that. Makayla TV, sorry if I pronounced that wrong.
What's your favorite color?
Obviously you guys probably know by now, it's probably green, which is so weird because, and brown, because literally I hated those colors. I guess it's the colors of the avocados, but I thought they were so ugly until like a month ago until it was trendy. So yeah, I already know this video is gonna be so long, but I will definitely, if I ever am doing something in a video, I will definitely include your guys' questions. I'm gonna put the sushi away. I'm gonna save some for my picnic, which is another video coming soon. It might involve cake and a wine glass. And thank you for watching till the end. Subscribe. Goodbye and toodles.